to show you how to play How Deep Is Your Love by the Bee Gees. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction on this. We're in the key of E flat. We start on E flat. And we'll have, in this octave you'll have B flat, E flat, F, G, E flat, then B flat, D, F, G, E flat. So you go from an E flat chord with an add a ninth in there to an E flat major 7. So we've got this, so it'll sound like this. And you can hold the notes through if you want. It just adds to the ambiance. Then we go to an A flat. This is an A flat 7 chord. 1, 3, 5, 7. There you go. It's a major 7. A B flat. We put a B flat in the bass on top of that, so that turns it into kind of an A flat 9th with a major 7th in there. So that's the sound we've got. So it'll sound like this. And then we go back to the E flat, but drop down an octave in the right hand. Play the same thing. Just hit the B flat, don't hit the chord again. And then we go into the melody. Now here's the melody. B flat, E flat, F, G, G, E flat, F, G, F, E flat, F, F, G, A flat, A flat, A flat, G, F, G, A flat, G, F, G, A flat, B flat, G, B flat, B flat, G, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, G, G, F. Then the pre-chorus, E flat, C, 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 E flat, C, F, B, B flat, B flat, C, E flat, C, B flat, C, B flat, G, B flat, G, F, E flat, G, F, G, B flat, C, E flat, G. And then we've got an E flat chord with E flat in the middle, B flat, E flat, G, up. How deep is your love right there? And then we go all the way down to this B flat, B flat, B flat, E flat, D, C, B flat, E flat, D, C, B flat, C, E flat, G, A flat, G, F, G, A flat. Now we're going to have duo, two notes right here, like a duet sound. So you're going to have G and B flat, G and C, F and B flat, again F and B flat. And then that's going to go, so you're going to go F and B flat, F and C, F and D flat. Triplet right there. And then we go G and B flat, G and C, G and B, D flat. And then right back down to the A flat, B flat, B, B, B flat, A flat, G. And that's pretty much what you've got for the melody. So you put the hands together and we've got the intro. Now you're going to have, for the bass, you're going to have E flat, G, F, C, F, G, B flat, E flat, G, C. So you're just going to single note bass, and I'll go slowly so that you can see it. There we go. E flat right there, G right there, F. Now here you're going to hit with that F and the C together. Usually I bring the F in slightly after the A flat right there. Then you got back to the E flat, to the G, C, G, E flat, F, B flat, A. Now here you're just going to walk it down. B flat, A flat, G, A flat, A flat, G, F. Now you skip down to the B, D flat, back to the G, to the B flat, and as soon as you hit that chord, go right down to the E flat in the bass. And come down to here. Now they come in on top of that. How deep is your love? They come in on top. How deep? They come in on top of that thing, and you can't really play it and come in on top of it because it's two different octaves. So I just finish it out and then come down. Up to the A flat. Now here, if you can remember to, you want to hit that A flat with your little finger, or at least the ring finger. If you can remember to come, because your tendency is to come up there, and then you don't have enough fingers to hit the A flat chord. So we're going to have E flat, then we're going to go to A flat, and then add the C and the E flat as they come in. See right there, you're going to add the chord. An E flat, walking down to a D flat, walking down to a C, then down to an F, A flat, and we're back into the second verse with an E flat right there. So you're going to walk it down, then down to the F. Quite a few chords in this piece, and I'm getting away from all the chords there just by using that single note bass. But you've got you've got an A flat major seventh, you got a G minor seventh, an F minor seventh, a C7, a B flat 7. I've got all the chords listed in the letter notes. You got a D flat chord and a B flat 7 chord. The D flat ninth, it's actually a D flat ninth chord with all the notes in there, and there's an A flat with a major 6 thrown in. So you've got a lot of chords in the piece, but you don't really need to play all the chords. All you need is that bass line to go through it and your melody, and you've got all the harmonies implied. So you've got now this time hit the C first. About the second verse is the rhythm changes a little bit to match the words. So just change the rhythm to match the words. It won't be identical rhythm to what was in the first verse, but the pre-chorus will be the same. Now the pre-chorus changes too, because there's some different words there, the different feel to it. See, there, he rushes through there. So and then it's the same. Here we got to remember to change up to that little finger if you can. The C goes with it because you're going up from an E flat. They're adding an E flat into the melody right there. and then we got a chorus. Now they sing the chorus and then they repeat it a couple of times, and then they go back and forth, and then they fade it out with a. What I'm doing that to change their ending right there. I'm just going to play the chorus one time, and then I'm going to put a little tag in there with the descant soprano. They have a descant soprano voice that comes in there too with on a B flat. So they get into the chorus. Walk it down. So like C, there's your C7 or C minor 7. Here's that descant soprano that just sustains through there, and then we come back with the melody. Add an E flat chord and keep that sustaining up there. So we add an E flat and a B flat in the left hand, and we add a B flat, E flat, G in the right hand. So it'll sound like this. And don't hit that too hard. You don't want to hit that too hard. You want to hit it light. Then wait for a second, then come in. And then add the chord to it. How Deep Is Your Love by the Bee Gees. Great song. They put out a lot of songs. They were good songwriters. Hope you enjoy playing it.